Some are simple, some are deceptive, and some are so precise that they force you to rethink everything you thought you understood. When the early tracking data for 3iatlas arrived on my screen, I didn't react immediately. I've spent decades looking at orbital paths, gravitational curves, long period comets, hyperbolic intruders, but as more data points populated the trajectory map, something began to feel intentional, not in the science fiction sense, but in the mathematical sense. The projected path of 3i Atlas was unlike typical interstellar debris. It didn't skim past our system the way Oumuamua did. It didn't dive inward like 2i Borisov. Instead, it was carving a very clean, very calculated arc, one that intersected a spot in space most objects do not approach with such precision. A region exactly at the radius where Jupiter's gravity begins to dominate the local neighborhood of the solar system, not close to Jupiter, not near its orbital path, but exactly at the distance where the Sun's grip weakens and Jupiter's takes over. To an astronomer, that is not a trivial number. That is not something a random comet drifting for millions of years through interstellar space is expected to hit within a fraction of a percent. When I first mentioned this, I received messages telling me it was coincidence. Coincidences happen, of course. But patterns deserve attention. What I realize, what I continue to emphasize is that precision is information. And when an object from another star system demonstrates it, we should pay attention rather than dismiss it. Let me explain why this matters.